Hey basic travelers, welcome to Travel Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to talk about how you can get 35% cash back on certain stores that are popular like Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, CVS, Taco Bell, Burger King, so many other stores, but we'll get right into that and let you know how you can save some money. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can subscribe to our content for some more travel tips, tricks, and hacks, and also any finance tips, tricks, and hacks. And also make sure you turn on that notifications and hit the like button and give us a thumbs up if you like this video. We appreciate it. Today we are going to talk about one of my favorite newest apps. It is the FLUZ app, which is a cashback app. And when you sign up using my referral link, you get 35% off vouchers for three 35% off vouchers up to a $10 purchase. So that means you get $3.50 off a $10 purchase. Now these purchases go on popular stores like Starbucks, Chipotle, Burger King. What I really like using it for is Starbucks. I get my 35% off, I copy the code in the app, and then I upload it to my Starbucks app so I still can collect my stars. So not only can you get the 35% off, but every time you go shopping, you actually get cash back. So if you walk into a store, let's say you are going to be shopping at, let me see what, you can actually type in the top up here, in the little search bar, type in what store you're at, and then that'll be easier to search for. But right now, I'm just gonna click Aeropostale. You can earn 3.5% back. So what you do, it'll show up this screen. When you're in Aeropostale, you can go to, you check out at the cash register and they say that your order is $50.80. You would just type in that $50.80. You click continue. It actually tells you what cash back you would earn. So this would be $1.78 cash back. Hit continue. You pick what card you want to use and then purchase the gift code. It'll ask you to type in your PIN number every time you make a purchase, which is nice because it's a little extra security for those purchases. And then you just make the purchase and a barcode will pop up and you have the cashier scan your barcode and then you get cash back automatically. What I also like is, actually this even has Amazon, you could get 0.5%, which is really nice. But this also can link up with online store purchases. So if you have a purchase at Walmart you want to make, or Amazon, since I just clicked on that one, you can go to your cart to check out, and then you just type in whatever your order price is. If it's $50, you would type it in. They'll say you get a quarter cash back. Whatever the case is. But on some of these, you can actually even triple, or I guess double dip with Rakuten. So if you're doing an online store purchase at a store that uses cash back with Rakuten or any of the other online apps, you can also use that. So it's nice to kind of be able to get that double cash back. The great thing about the FLUZ app is when you first sign up, after you use the referral link, they have a $5 quick start bonus. And they actually offer a lot of different bonuses in the app. So depending on what the task is, as long as you complete it, you get those bonuses. So the first one's a $5 bonus. It's pretty easy to get. You earn your first cash back and you have to enable locations and notifications. Then you set a network goal. I must have just typed something in, I don't even remember doing that. And you can link your bank account to get missed earnings. And then you pick 5 favorite stores. To pick a favorite store, it's really easy. You just go through the pay. Okay, so let's say I'm just gonna click on Uber Eats. You see down here, maybe you can't see, but it has a little heart at the bottom. All you have to do is click that little heart, and that adds it into your favorite stores. So all you have to do is heart 5 stores, and you'll get that $5 bonus cash back right away, the quick start bonus. So I missed it on mine, unfortunately. I don't know why I didn't get it, but I didn't realize how this app worked right away when I signed up for it. So make sure you don't miss it. It's a couple clicks. The challenge expires 30 days after account creation. So make sure when you join, just do all those steps right away. You just have to link your bank account, enable location notifications, earn your first cash back, so use the app, and set a network goal, and pick your favorites. It's just 5 favorites. It's super simple. So they also have other bonuses, which is cool. If you look, if you are a leader, you can earn $180 for referring friends. Just have to click start now, and then they just, you know, they keep going up, so you can earn up to $2,000 for referring friends and different things like that. So there's a lot of different challenges. There's people in the app, you can see how much money they've earned, which is really cool because it's kind of motivating, some extra money you can earn just for helping your friends save money, which is really awesome. I love being able to help you guys save some money. I think that's pretty much it that I have with the FLUZ app. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. I would be happy to answer them. I've been using it for about definitely over a month now, but it actually adds up fairly quickly. So definitely check out the app. Appreciate if you use our links. Just click below, they'll be below, and you can sign up and get your 35% off vouchers. That's all I have for you guys today. If you're not a part of our Facebook group, be sure to join that. It's our Basic Travel 101, points, miles, and more. That group, we usually post all of these great deals and any money saving tips or travel tips, travel hacks, and different things like that. So be sure to join our group. Be sure to give us a subscribe, a like, and turn on those alert notifications. We definitely appreciate that as well. And that's all I got for you today. So have a great day, you basic travelers. We'll see you next time.